Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, and to another video. In this video we are going to design our logo for our YouTube channel. So how can we easily design our logo for our YouTube channel? There are two ways. You can use Photoshop or you can use Canva. So many people may not know how to use Photoshop properly, so I'm going with the second one. I'm going to use Canva to create our logo. So Canva is a great set for graphic design, logo design, or anything you can design easily with Canva. So I'm going with Canva. And here you can search YouTube logo. So our logo size actually 800 by 800. So you can see there are many logo template are available. This one is paid. You can see the pro icon from here. And this one is free. There is no icon in the right side. We can use any of these for our logo. You can use this or you can customize this template. So I am going to create text logo for demo purpose and click this logo and click on customize this template. You can also select another logo. There are many more options available. You can choose as your own. These all are free template to customize your logo. You can easily go this one and you can customize this template. So I'm going with this first one. If you okay with this font and icon, you can change this from here. If you are not happy with your font, then you can change this from here. You can see the text icon in here. Word text, and you can easily change this. Any icon you want, you can easily change this. So I'm going with this one. You can also change color from here. Or you can also select another text for your logo. You can see this logo. If you are not happy with this icon, you can also change this icon from here. Go to element and you can search your icon. And you can easily change your icon from here. There have so many free icons in here. There have lot more options you can use for your logo. You can use any of this free icon. You can also draw things in here. So I'm not happy with this one. I delete this one and go to element again. So in this way you can add icon, add text or change font in your logo. So if you're done with your editing, then you can easily download this image with JPG or you can download PNG. So go to share option and click on download. You can also change this from PNG to JPG. So I'm going with PNG version and click on download. If I open this, you can see our logo is complete. You can easily use this logo in your YouTube channel. Later we're going to discuss how you can add logo in your channel. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. And we are going to continue this YouTube full course.